Everybody, welcome to the channel. It's Bob with Homesteading. So today, it's time to start cleaning the bus out. So we got some seats up front, seat in the back, the wheel chucks. It's time to get them out. What we're gonna do first though is, let me get the sides of the seats so that I can do them both one right here. Because after this, I'm probably going to have to go underneath it. Somebody else is going to have to run the drill. But and we'll just make a pile right there. There. How am I supposed to get that one? Let's see. Where is it? You gonna have me drill? Probably have to go get a wrench. Oh yeah. Let's look at this video already. Ouch! Oh, that hurt.
Well, you're not going to have to crawl under there at all if they come right up.
Yeah, but they're not going to come all the way up. So let me go get a nice 16th wrench.
Okay, Bob's underneath, and I'm going to do this. So he's holding it on underneath. Ready? All right.
Nope. Try the other one. Come out.
Yeah.
Oh, is there another one in that?
I got one more. When you told me nope.
That's a heater for when you're driving.
As a regular school bus.
Because it uses the heat from the engine.
So it heats up the whole school bus.
Back here, and the piping that's underneath there goes all the way to the front for the dash.
I remember as a child, it was very cold in the school bus on cold mornings.
Well, they're not insulated. That's why we're going to insulate it.
But like,
you are right though.
like that's the only heater for real. Like seriously, you got to sit next to the heater. I wish I would have known that as a child. I would have picked the seat near the heater. Of course, I don't think the ones with the nose on it, I think they're different. They don't have like a heater like that. Yeah.
Because the heat comes straight from the engine.
Yeah, so, but good news, if anybody watching, they have a child that has a flat nose school bus ride to school and they live in the cold, tell them to sit in the back. Maybe that's why everybody wanted the back seat. I always thought everybody wanted the back seat because it was more fun to sit in the back. You know what I mean?
I sat in the back so I could get away with more things.
Yeah, I always thought that was the reason, but maybe people sit in the back because they're near the heat. Interesting thought. Who knew? All right, so Bob's going to clean up all the seats today. I guess he's just going to stick them in the yard for now, which I'm not too pleased about, but whatever. And,
You'll get over it.
no, we're going to get rid of them. But I would like to save some of these seat belts just in case I want to do a seat belt with a couch or something. Do they just bolt from the bottom?
I'm sure. I haven't looked at them yet, so I don't know.
And they're different colors.
Yeah, there's about 4 different colors on.
I guess they're faded. I don't know. But
this is what.
that one doesn't have a seatbelt.
Nope. Done.
Okay, so.
Well, the other thing is too. These here. These tie downs. Can put them right here. And the short ones, put them right up here. That way, if you put a chair here that rotates, you can take them, put them down with the seat belts. That way, when you want to turn it around and use it for a regular, once the bus is parked, you can unhook the seat belts.
So,
Tie downs from the original school bus. It was a wheelchair accessible.
For the wheelchair part. Okay, so
and that's what these are from.
That makes sense.
So what we'll do is I'll take the 2 short ones with the seat belt. And I'll actually, when it's all done, you know how I set it all up, I'll take and I'll put them here, and the seatbelt will be here. That way, whatever seat is right here that you can sit in, you'll be able to seatbelt in.
True, and I want to save a couple other seatbelts because if we do like the couch or something and
Take
like
somebody with us.
somebody with us, especially if a car seat's involved, I want to make sure that I don't think that'll happen, but I want it to be an option. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah. So, and since we have seatbelts that we can use, oh yeah, these are black, and these are red, and then the other ones were brown. I figured those faded, but I don't know. These are black. Very odd. Very
So you
odd.
gotta figure out what they are underneath.
Okay.
I gotta get these off. And get that off.
Yeah, that Chuck, we missed that one.
And then
yesterday.
the tie down, these tie downs, I gotta get them off.
Okay.
And then take the
So-
seat cushions off the back.
All right, so we're gonna do that.
I didn't want this one to break. There we go, got it.
All right, now we got the little whatever that thing's officially called off. Get this one off here. Where do we put the other one? Oh, outside. Starting to get a lot more room in here. So I want to put my little jump seat. Like I could go as close, because people are like, I want my feet to touch the ground, but I don't really care if my feet touch the ground or not.
Well, I can always make a platform.
Yeah, people have done that too.
Sit there while we're driving.
Yeah, I've seen some safety people do that too. But I don't need to sit up close to you. I've seen people put the jump seat right next to the driver. I, by no means, need to go that close to you. Yeah, let's get these bolts so they don't just fall off in the driveway. Hold on. Oh, there's a little sticker. What's it say? Hold on, some little kid sticker from a long time ago. It says, You measure up. Aww.
All right, let me go get 11/16.
So
Or no.
is that all the screws in there? Yeah.
That's it. Let me go get 11/16 wrench real quick.
Okay, so that concludes the taking the stuff out of the floor. I would say the seats, but also those handicap tie downs, and then the wheel chucks that the guy had in here for his mopeds. So we got it all taken out, except for the seats back there. But anyway, I'm gonna get a broom and sweep it. But thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video. Follow us along if you want. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any suggestions on what color to paint the bus. That's where I need a suggestion, is what color to paint the bus. But all right, we'll see you on the next video.